Hello, kids! Welcome to our ABC time. Today, we are going to learn the English alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's say all the letters together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
A is for apple. A, apple. Can you say apple? Apple. B is for ball. B, ball. Say ball. Ball. C is for cat. C, cat. Meow, cat. D is for dog. D, dog. Woof, woof, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. Big elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. Swim, fish. G is for giraffe. G, giraffe. Tall giraffe. H is for hat. H, hat. Put on your hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice. Drink your juice. K is for kite. K, kite. Fly the kite. L is for lion. L, lion. Roar, lion. M is for monkey. M, monkey. Ooh, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. Bird's nest. O is for orange. O, orange. Orange fruit. P is for penguin. P, penguin. Waddle, penguin. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Hello, queen. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. Hop, rabbit. S is for sun. S, sun. Sunny sun. T is for tree. T, tree. Big tree. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. Open your umbrella. V is for van. V, van. Drive the van. W is for watermelon. W, watermelon. Sweet watermelon. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Ding, ding, xylophone. Y is for yellow. Y, yellow. Yellow color. And Z is for zebra. Z, zebra.
black and white zebra.
Wow, you did it! Now let's sing the ABC song together one more time.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Great job, kids! You are amazing! Don't forget to practice your ABC every day. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye!